get started. So in this project, we will be using Google Colab, as Google Colab provides high computational power and CV requires that. So in this project, we'll see how we can add watermark to an image, because adding a watermark works as a copyright for our image and no one can illegally use our document or image after that. We'll use OpenCV for this project to add logo and as well as text to add the watermark. So we'll start by importing some required libraries, which are, we'll import CV2, that is computer vision used for image processing. We'll import NumPy, that is used for mathematical computations. We'll import request, which will fetch our URLs to download the images we require. And we'll import image from PIL, which is used to open the image, visualize the image and all that. So let's run this cell and import these libraries. So as we can see, this cell has run. So we have imported our required libraries. Now we'll read our images from the URL. So this is a URL I have taken from the internet. I've applied it here. You can take any image, any URL that you require. We have put this here in the get function of request, and we'll open it using image function from PIL that we imported above. Similarly, we will load the image using the URL of the image from the Google Images, and then resize the image and finally store it into two variables that are for the logo and the text, which will be used for logo and text watermarking. Now let's run this cell and see how to do that. So this is the image we have taken to apply the watermark on. So as you can see here, I have printed out this image underscore logo W, that is the image we are using to apply the watermark on. Let's move forward. Similarly, we'll download the logo using the request library. We have taken the Pi Analytics logo from their site. This is the URL for that. You can take any logo, any watermark that you want to try. We have stored it into logo using image function from PIL and then display it. Let's run this cell and see. So this is the logo we have imported using the request function. We'll be using this logo on the image we have imported above. So in order to